If you are watching day 7, stop and listen carefully. You are not normal because 90% of people quit before day 7, but you have been consistent so far. So this video is about you. Hello my friends, welcome to day 7 of my English speaking practice challenge and you are watching SAR English. This is a channel or place where I practice speaking English every single day. I'm learning English just like you by uploading videos, 4 to 5 minutes of videos every day. Today is not just another day. Today is a milestone. So let's reflect about our 1 week. Let's look back for a moment. On day 7, fear was high and the confidence was very low. On day 7, fear is still there, but courage is bigger. Courage is improved. You may not sound fluent yet, but you must sound braver. And bravery comes before fluency because you are practicing every single day. You are getting braver day by day. Now, many English learners ask me, why is my English still not perfect? The reason is that because English is a skill. English is not a magic which is going to happen in a day. You didn't learn walking in 1 week. You didn't learn cycling even in 1 day. So don't expect fluency in 7 days. Everything takes time. If you keep on practicing like this, the day will come when you will be speaking English fluently. But it will take some time. You need some patience, but you have to do hard work with consistency, with regularity. So progress is happening. You can feel it. Okay, so now let's do a small test. I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to answer these questions loudly. Okay, loudly. You have to give the answer loudly. Now let me tell you the questions. What did you do yesterday? Now tell me the answer loudly. Though I know I'm not going to listen your answer, but you are giving your answer and you are listening to yourself. So you are improving yourself. You can also comment your answer. Okay, I'll check it out. Now the second question. What are you doing today? Now try to give the answer. Now your third question is, what will you do tomorrow? Now try to answer this question. If you can answer even one sentence to this question, you are improving. That's real success. It means that you have improved so much. Now, if no one has told you this, then I would like to tell you something today. I'm proud of you because you stayed with me. You showed up for 7 days. You were consistent for 7 days. You did not give up. You choose growth over comfort. You choose your spoken English instead of being silent. Most people dream of speaking English fluently, but they give up. They try for a few days, then after they lose their courage. But you haven't given up. You are still trying. You are doing. You are progressing. That's why I'm proud of you. In fact, I'm also proud of myself because I'm also consistent, just like you. So if you have completed week 1 with me, like this video, subscribe to SAR English and comment week 1 completed and share this video with your friends. Now let the world know you that you didn't quit. So day 7 is proof that you can stay consistent. If you can stay consistent for 7 days, then why can't you stay consistent for next remaining days? Of course you can. If you can, then you can change your life in 30 days. So don't stop now because best version of you is waiting for you ahead. So go ahead and grab it. Tomorrow is day 8. So we are going to start day 2 stronger than the previous days. Until then, trust your progress. Speak English every single day. Remove the fear. without the fear of making mistakes. Just keep speaking like this. See you. Take care of you and your family. Bye bye.